everyone. As I live a mindful, minimalist life, my wardrobe is no exception. I try to keep my wardrobe as simple and easy as possible. Today, I'm going to share with you how I've created a capsule wardrobe to fit a minimalist lifestyle. I've been asked by many people where I find my clothes and how I put them together, so I thought I would make a video for you guys today showing you the easy steps that I have used to create a capsule wardrobe, living mindfully and creating a wardrobe capsule that fits your unique lifestyle. Can not only be budget friendly, but it also simplifies our lives. If you enjoy content on mindfulness and minimalism, I invite you to please click subscribe and become part of our community. All right, let's get started on these few easy steps so that you can build your own capsule wardrobe. Taking inventory. Today, I'm just going to be focusing on the clothes in the closet and in my dresser. I'm not going through pajamas or underwear, swimsuits, or sock drawer. Leaving those for another decluttering day. I'm going to bring everything out of my closet and drawers. All of my shirts, sweaters, pants, dresses, and skirts. I'm going to begin to sort out my items into 3 piles. Essentials I love, maybe, and let it go. Essentials that I love, this pile is going to have everything that you love to wear. You know, those things that you are constantly reaching for, the things that you always happen to find in your laundry basket every week, and the things that really make you feel good. Also in this pile are all of the things that fit your daily lifestyle most. The maybe pile are all of the things that you do still like, but you don't really reach for very often. They're not one of like your essential love items, but you still kind of want to hang on to them. Letting go. This pile consists of everything that you no longer wear. Perhaps it doesn't fit you, or it doesn't match your style, or it doesn't match the climate that you're in anymore. Going back to the maybe pile, taking each individual item and asking yourself a few questions. Do I like the color, fabric, and fit of this item? Does it go with my lifestyle? Does this item go with at least 3 other items in my love pile? How many outfits can I create using this item? Is there an occasion that I absolutely will need this item? I love camping, but I don't camp year round. I'm not gonna wear my flannel and my hiking boots every day where I live. However, I absolutely need my flannel and my hiking boots when I go camping and hiking. So this would be in my maybe pile, but would be very valuable for me to keep for every summer when I go up into the mountains. Identifying your favorite pieces. As you look at your closet, keeping the things that you absolutely love now, you may start to notice a similar pattern and your personal style really shining through. Maybe you like mostly solids or patterns, or a particular color scheme that you see repeating itself in your wardrobe. For me, I'm always drawn to solid colors that are of a neutral tone. So creams, whites, light gray, green, and some tan. I also really enjoy having natural fabrics like cotton, linen, and wool. Many of you have asked where I purchase my clothes, and I am not getting paid to promote these companies in any way. It really is just where I happen to find most of my clothing. My t-shirts usually come from either Banana Republic Outlet or Nordstrom Rack. My wide leg linen pants, linen shorts, cotton skirts typically come from J. Crew, Nordstrom Rack, and Amazon. When I do purchase clothing, I try to be very aware of what I am buying and getting items that are timeless and classic, things that I can mix and match within my wardrobe capsule. The purpose of a capsule wardrobe is to have clothes that we love, that we feel amazing in and confident and beautiful, that fit our everyday lifestyle. With a wardrobe capsule, it makes getting ready in the morning so easy and seamless and very simple. Create outfit combinations. For inspiration, I turned to Pinterest and I created a folder and labeled it Look. And after just going through Pinterest for a few hours, I could definitely see kind of the trend of style that I really liked. Building outfits is really very fun and super creative. So now that you have all of your clothes that you love and you have some ideas of how you might want to put together some different outfits, this is your chance to let your creativity flow and piece together as many different outfits out of the clothes that you still have in your wardrobe. Be sure to create outfits for all seasons that you live in. I live in a climate that has 4 mild seasons, and so what I typically do is take one outfit and then I will layer sweaters, scarves, hats, jackets over top of this outfit so that I am wearing all of the pieces in my wardrobe throughout the year. The look of our wardrobe does not have to be boring. It's pretty impressive how many different looks and styles I can get out of just one shirt. Filling in the gaps. Now that you have your favorite items in your wardrobe, some fantastic outfit combinations that last throughout many seasons, this is a great time to start creating a wish list of a few items that you would really like to add to your capsule wardrobe. This is something that you can start to build over time. Don't feel pressure to go out on a crazy shopping spree or anything like that. But now you have your wish list of the things that would really add value to your wardrobe. So when you are shopping, it's very intentional. It's not impulse buying, but you are looking for specific things to add to your capsule wardrobe. Always keeping in mind to wear the outfits that you feel best in. There's no right or wrong way to do your unique style. Thanks so much for watching this video today. If you enjoyed it, I invite you to please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel grow. Thanks.